Yeah, so relays that are yellow are energized. Relays that are still dark aren't energized. At the moment, K1 is currently energized, which puts a supply down here, down this side, down this switch, onto this relay K2. So K2 is also energized. If I was to move this switch to position 2, you can see that the supply isn't coming down here anymore. There's no positive down here, so K2 has de-energized. Now the switch is in position 2. What I'm calling, well, you can't see the switch positions until I do that. So this is what I've just done. I went from position 1 to position 2. That moved the switch into the middle, so now K3 is energized. There we go, the motor's running. So position 2 is the motor's always on. Regardless of what happens, the motor's always running. Apple user, thank you for the follow. But when we're in position 1, we need to use the buttons. So at the minute it's already locked in because it was always on. I press the stop button, it all goes off. I press the start button, it all comes back on. Let me run you through the start circuit. So let me stop it again. You see the batteries here, the positive is getting up to the top side of S3. So S3 is my on button. Christoph, thank you for follow. M-Dog, thank you for follow as well. Yeah, the positive's getting onto the top of S3 and it's getting no further because S3 is open. So if I press S3 now, the supply goes through S3. S4 is normally closed, so it's already closed. The supply goes straight through. It goes through K2 because K2 is closed through this relay down here. Oh, hang on. This relay down here. Yeah, we go through K2 and it energizes KM5. So we just momentarily pressed S3. It closed momentarily. The minute I let go, if this KM5 contact here wasn't there, KM5 would just de-energize. So this is what's called a latching circuit. It's or holding circuit, and other people call it, because KM5, which is a contact of itself, is holding it in. And it's basically, so when you press that start button and let go, KM5 energizes very quickly and closes on itself. So when you let go of that start button, it stays energized.